Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Mr. Life Simple Man. And today I'm going to show you the review of the changing of the serpentine belt for my Mercedes 202. In this case is the M111 engine series, and mine is a C180, and I'm going to show you how I'll do it. If you look into the manual of the harness, you will see that there are two types of the serpentine, or some place called serpentine belt here. In the left picture, it shows that this is a shorter version of the serpentine belt that bypass or without the AC air conditioning compressor, while the right one, which my car has right now, is with the AC air conditioning compressor. In my case, because I see there is a leak, a lot of the oil, and then I try to check out my pulley here. It's already worn out. You may not see obviously here, I'm sorry. And I found out that the seal of the AC here is also leak, which I don't want to fix it because I live in the Northern Europe and I rarely use of the AC in my car. So to fix it, I have a choice. I have to take out a whole unit of the compressor and then change the seal. And as I haven't used it for like 4 years because I ran out of the liquid, and I think I'll just delete the AC on my engine. But the best way, instead of rebuild of your AC or buy a whole new unit of the AC, another choice is just to bypass with the serpentine belt without the AC compressor version here. So as you may see, the length is a little bit shorter from the AC version. You can see here I have a Bosch 6PK 2155 millimeter, and I have decided to buy a 6PK 2055, which is gonna be 100 millimeters shorter than the one that I use. And I'm going to try out and show you how I will install and how is it work after. Is it going to work? And I hope this is useful for you, for a person who have a problem with the AC and don't want to fix it and want to delete it by the cheapest way, by just bypass your serpentine with the new shorter one. Okay, so let's check it out.